Now that is creepy as f***. Where's Pennywise? Got balloons following me. How's it going, guys? We're doing a bit of a humanitarian mission today. Me and Danny boys, he's back. He's injured still, but he's riding. Look how long that balloon's going to hang on for at 100 k's. Oh yeah, Danny boy's back. I was actually going to head out for a camp, solo camp this week, but Danny hit me up last night, so today I'm going to head out and go chop up that fucking log that Steve hit and have myself a bit of a bonfire and camp out there and a few drinks. And he's like, you want to come with? And I'm like, yeah, bloody oath, let's do it. So yeah, since at least 2 people have hit that bloody log and come to grief, it's time for it to go if it hasn't already been taken out by somebody. Danny's got his chainsaw on board. According to the map, it was only about 30 k's from Danny's place to where the log is, so yeah, we should be getting there pretty early. Be an early start on the beers today, I'd say. Yeah, Lukey did initially have the idea of coming out and doing this. He wanted to come out and do it, but he doesn't ride. I thought it'd be a bit more appropriate for the bikes to come out and get rid of the fucking log that's been hurting bikers. A shout out to Lukey. Ah, it's good to be back out riding with the Danny boy. I hope that bloody log's still there. It's got to be a bit of an anticlimax if we come all the way out here and it's gone. Convict Road, eh? Cool. so we just popped out onto the track that Steve and I took. Apparently it's not much further back this way to where the log is. There she is. Still there. We'll have to cut this piece out and take it home. It's got Steve's tyre mark on it.
Things we do for you, Steve.
Fucking, it's hard, man. It's hard wood.
Bloody oath.
You know it's winter when I don't mind fucking hot beers.
There she is. Just that little bit. That's what I thought I had to hold on until the last second.
Yep.
Alright. Oh.
I don't know about cutting it up into stave lengths with this though.
Yeah, a bit hard for the little Ryobi.
Yeah. Oh well, we've done a good deed anyway. Ah, the smells of the bush. Righto, Daniel son. Everybody knows what fucking camping gear I use, because I talk about it all the time. So what they really want to know is what the discerning professional camper uses.
I wouldn't say professional.
So obviously we've got the Haranox chair here, the green one.
Yep.
Right, what can you got?
Okay, so just got the Vango Media 200.
2 man.
Yep, 2 man. 4 season Mountaineer.
Have you had it for a while?
I had it for about 4 or 5 years, I think.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, it's a good tent.
Yeah.
It's done a lot of Ks. And then just a Cedar Summit -15 sleeping bag and the Nemo Tensor mattress.
Cool. There you go, that's our Pro Camper Danny setup. Righto, heading down to get some Steve wood. Steve wood. I would call it Steve and other dude wood. I don't know what the DRZ rider's name was. The old saw was a little bit blunt, but we'll cut up what we can. It's fucking hard wood. Probably burn for 3 days. I think Danny said he's going to bring the 1090 down and we're going to take a bundle up on the back of the bike. So, yep, there it goes. So anyway, as you can see, it has been moved from the road. Righto, Steve, there's your skiddy mark. We're going to put this up as a monument on top of the ant's nest. There we go, Steve's skiddy atop the little ant's nest, overlooking anybody who comes by this way. If you happen to come by here and you see Steve's skiddies falling off, set it up there again for us, would you? Or kick it off if you want to be a Right, let's see if we can get this wood on.
Hang on, I'll just jump on. And I'll hopefully get it up to camp without bunny it dropping off. You can just roughly balance it.
Don't do anything, Danny, you're injured. So we just got another load of Steve's logs. We're burning a fair portion of it, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got a
Not the huge end of it, but a decent chunk.
nice solid wood.
Oh, mate.
No holes in it, no hollows.
Very solid. Alright, that's our Steve wood pile. Steve wood. Danny's got the fire prep here. Living the dream. Living the dream. Oh,
when your date roll's done about 30,000 K, and she's getting a bit old.
You
Got
peel
a
off
bit of coffee on it and a bit of pink desert dust.
peel off a few layers and burn
You
it.
just peel a few pieces off and then use that to start your fire.
Oh, you're not using a flint, are you? What are you? Fucking... Oh, mate.
The Date Roll Express.
Bear Grylls over here. He'll be drinking piss in a second.
Oh fuck no. Rums, yeah. It is actually a Bear Grylls knife.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, this is the Bear Grylls Gerber knife. And it has a little sharpener that's fucking useless on the back, so it's got 6 screws in it.
No, okay.
But it is handy.
You made that flint look easy, like easier than anybody I've ever seen trying to fucking light a fire with it.
The secret's toilet paper.
Yeah, right. Or petrol. Whenever I see people using a flint, I'm like, why the fuck would you bother when you can get a lighter at the fucking servo for $1? Come on.
When your lighter goes flat, it runs out of gas.
Yeah, but it's still got a flint on it.
Yeah.
If you got petrol, you're laughing. Jeez, that shit's dry, innit? It's fucking going good.
It's gonna have some heat in her.
So we're just starting off with a small fire today. So Danny boy, what's going on with your arm? You've done a work injury.
Yep, so busted tendons, busted elbow, and hopefully no surgery.
Hopefully.
So I can keep riding. But life's good, we're out camping. So cheers everybody.
Cheers. That's it. You're probably doing a little bit more than what you should. At least you're not lifting up that heavy rum can with your fucking left arm, mate. Take it easy.
That's it.
We just gave the fire a bit of a stake. We're still saving the Steve wood for later though.
That's the overnight wood.
Yeah. How's that fire looking, Danny? Pretty good?
Bloody beautiful.
Danny and I just did a live stream. How fucking hilarious. Thanks to everybody that was actually on there. Cheers guys. Legends. It was a bit of fun. We might do another one later on, but anyway. Look at this fire, man. It's fucking cranking. Alright, I think it's time to get some food.
Yeah.
Danny boy's cooking some fucking onions.
Oh, there's a bit of peel in there.
Oh, dude, what the fuck is this?
Oh, better than dirt.
My steak's looking pretty ordinary. Cooked in the middle. Danny's got his steak going over here. What are you doing, Danny? Where are you?
Oh, looking for a knife and a fork.
Domestic shit, righto. Sorry guys, haven't done any filming this morning. Been fucking hungover. Woke up with a cracking headache and you know, tried to fight off that nausea. Oh, couldn't they? Had to have an upchuck. Yeah, don't think I'll be bothering with the fireballs anymore. Yeah, wicked stuff. Almost, but not quite as bad as port when it comes to the hangover. Anyway, I'll try and make my way home very cautiously and slowly this morning. Tell you what, I'm glad I don't have 14 kilometres of sand to do this morning. That's one good thing. So anyway, we had a good time doing the live stream last night. Thanks to all you guys who jumped on and had a bit of a chat with us. And special thanks to all you guys that chucked a bit of money at us. We weren't really expecting anything like that, but always appreciated. Oh, Danny. free alcohol, guys. Such a beautiful day, nice roads. Not enjoying it at all. I just want to get home and die on my bed. Like shit. Self-inflicted. That's the way it goes. Anyway, just trying to get there at this point. Alright guys, I think we'll wrap this video up here. Nearly home, feeling a bit better now. Thanks for watching as always, thanks Patreons, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.